Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reprint bank reconciliation from QuickBooks. If you need to review past reconciliations or keep printed records for your files, this process will help you quickly access and print any reconciliation report you've completed. Let's start by navigating to the left side of your QuickBooks screen where you'll find the main menu. Click on Reports. This will take you to the central hub where QuickBooks stores all your financial reports and data summaries. It's where you'll access everything from profit and loss statements to the reconciliation reports we're after today. Once you're in the reports section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is your shortcut to finding specific reports without scrolling through categories. Type reconciliation into the search bar. QuickBooks will instantly filter the results to show you reconciliation-related reports, making it much faster to locate what you need. In the search results, look for the banking section. Under this category, you'll see an option called Reconciliation Reports. Click on it. This report type is specifically designed to display all your completed bank reconciliations organized by account and date. Next, you'll need to select the bank account for which you want to reprint the reconciliation. If you have multiple bank accounts connected to QuickBooks, this step ensures you're pulling the correct report. Click on the appropriate account from the list. After selecting your account, QuickBooks will display a list of all reconciliation periods for that account. Each entry represents a completed reconciliation with its corresponding date range. Browse through the list and choose the reconciliation period you want to reprint. This allows you to access historical records from any month or quarter you've previously reconciled. Click on the reconciliation report to open it. The full report will now appear on your screen, showing all the transactions that were reconciled during that period, including cleared checks, deposits, and any adjustments made. To print the report, look in the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the print icon. Click it to initiate the printing process. This icon is standard across most QuickBooks reports and gives you control over how you want to output the document. Finally, your browser's print dialog will appear. Here you can choose to send the report directly to your printer or save it as a PDF for digital storage. Adjust any print settings as needed, then complete the printing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.